Good, the garden really needed the rain. Alright, you guys, it is a super rainy day, and you would think that those chicks would go right up into the shelter that I provided for them, but no. No, they are not. Some creatures don't have the sense that God gave them. Okay, I'll show you what I mean. Look at this, you guys. It's totally flooded. And there they are, trying to go for high ground. But where they should be is up here. Really? Okay, I can't film this next part because my camera really hates the rain. But I'm gonna go in that pen, and I'm probably gonna get all wet, and I'm gonna get those chicks and take them inside and dry them off. And I'm not happy. I'm a little bit cranky today about all this. Bye, guys. All right, I got them all settled out of the flood. I put a light in there because I thought maybe that's why they're not going up there, because it's so dark. And you know, I've shared with you before, they are afraid of the dark. All right. Okay, you guys, so crisis averted. They're all snug and dry in the top of the coop where they should have been in the first place of their own free will, because I thought the creatures would naturally, go to high ground, but no. Okay, so rainy day, never a dull moment on the homestead. Every night, these baby chicks can't seem to find their way up into the top of the coop. It's crazy. So, yeah, every night they start like freaking out and chirping as soon as it gets dark, and I have to come up and put them up into the top of the coop. So it really is just crazy. Somehow I've got to teach them to go up in the top of the coop all by themselves. The darker it gets, the louder and louder they get. There's the whole flock now. They're saying to themselves, what do we do? What do you think we do? How do we get up there? You know, guys, it's just up the ramp to there. So not difficult. All right, you guys, I'm gonna catch them all and put them back up there yet again. I wonder how long I'm gonna be doing this every evening. They're settled in for the night. What a little bunch they are. So we found a solution to our problem of not being able to get the chicks up. We put a light in there. And look at them go. That's 3. 4. 5. 1 left. Which one is it? It's Blue Bonnet, our little crusted cream. Come on, Blue Bonnet, you can do this. so I told you guys they are afraid of the dark. That's how you get chicks to go up when they don't want to go up. Go towards the light. Yes. Yep, they're afraid of the dark. And we'll block off this entrance and then turn off the light. Then they'll be, well, they'll settle down though. And there's number 6. Homestead victory right there. Look at that sunset, you guys. It's a pretty one.